Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to link your NinjaTrader account with TradingView, step by step, in just a few minutes. Start by signing into your TradingView account. Once you're in, head to the top menu, click Products, and open Supercharts. From there, scroll down to the bottom and select Trading Panel. This is where TradingView lists all supported brokers. If NinjaTrader doesn't appear right away, click All Brokers to expand the full list. Scroll until you find NinjaTrader, then select it. You'll be prompted to choose between connecting a live account or a demo account. If you're just getting started, the demo option is the safer choice and perfect for practice. Next, enter your NinjaTrader login details, double-check everything for accuracy, and click Connect. Give it a few seconds, and once the connection is complete, you'll be able to place trades directly on TradingView charts using your NinjaTrader account. And that's all there is to it. Fast, simple, and effective. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials here on One More Guru.